Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Light violet color, black color, cream color, scarlet color, geranium color, Persian blue color, lavender color, yellow color, cool gray color, pale pink color, pastel pink color, emerald green color. Stay with us. Black color. Now we are writing capital letter alphabets. A for apple. B for bat. C for cow. D for dollhouse. E for elephant. F. The next one is G. H for house. I for eyes. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium. Stay with us. Writing the alphabet of J. K. The alphabet of K. L. M. N. O. P. The next one is Q. Stay with us. Q for queen. Now we're using the color of light violet. Stay with us. Writing the alphabet of R. R for rose, R for rice. S for snake. The next one is T. U. The next one is V. V for van. Exactly. W. Watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y. Kids, the next one is Z. Now we are writing numbers 1 to 10. Yellow color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W 2. 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. The last one is 10. Thank you so much for watching.